Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, today we'll see a very interesting thing on Google Photos, that is how to recover your deleted photos on Google Photos. So how to do that? So for that what you need to do is simply go to Google Chrome and in Google Chrome search for Google Photos. So once you do that, the concept here is you have to go to the web browser type of Google Photos, not onto your app. You have to open in web search. So here I am going to Google Photos here, Google Accounts. Here you may need to log in if you have not logged in your right account. So it has started opening up. So here what you need to do is simply go to this settings of Google Photos. So once you go to the settings, you can see all these features, all these options will come up. You just need to go to suggestions. So just go to suggestions. If I click here, it will take me to this creation, suggested rotation, suggested archive, all these things. Just go to this unsaved creation and view. Well, here what happens is all the Google Photos creations, some kind of collage or a video or something like that will be stored over here, but it is not saved. Google has already created out of your photos that you have clicked in, but it has not yet been saved in your phone. So it is something like a creation which has been in your phone, which has been in Google Photos, but not saved by you. So whichever photos you might have deleted, Google usually creates that collage or creates something out of those photos and keeps it unsaved in his unsaved creation folder. So by that what happens is your unsaved creations are also accessible even if you have deleted your photos in your Google Photos, although it has been deleted from your trash as well. But this unsaved creations will stay unless you have deleted this unsaved creations as well. So here what happens, you can either save or you can share this Google creations, and if you happen to delete the specific photos from your trash as well, not only from Google Photos but from your Google trash, even then also you can simply save or share these photos. So friends, that's a great thing for Google Photos on the part of Google Photos, that you can still recover it even if you have deleted it from the trash bin. But the thing is, you have to be sure of when you wanted to delete some sensitive information, then you have to, when you really want to delete some photos because of something, because of some requirement, you must also delete the photos from unsaved creations. This is how you can be safe that your photo is nowhere in Google right now. So this is a very interesting folder in Google Photos. You can access it to recover some of your deleted photos or much of your deleted photos if some creations have already been done by Google. So friend, that's it. I hope you learned something out of it. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.